Good morning friends, today it's 18th of August 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. After consecutive 6 weeks of negative closing, last week Nifty spot bounced back from lows of 24,347 to end the week up plus 1.10% at 24,631 levels. After the long weekend, the index today is expected to open with a big gap up. The index has found triggers at micro and macro levels which can boost the index and give a follow-up up move of last week pullback attempts. Since last 2 weeks plus, we have been seeing that the index has cluster come multiple support zone between 24,500 to 24,000 zone which can attract pullback, and thus long ratio spreads can be looked on dips for potential pullback towards immediate hurdle zone of 25,025-250 levels. Today, the gap up opening is expected to hold the gains and thus dips in intraday, and thereafter can be looked for buying, expecting index to test the highs of 25,000 and 25,250 levels thereafter. This week, weekly closing will be important to watch, as closing and sustainability over and above Nifty spot 25,250 levels can further attract short covering for higher levels in days to come. So 25,250 will be looked as a tug of war for this week and next between bulls and bears. For this week, initial important trading zone range can be 24,400 and 25,250 levels with buy on dip outlook, while for Bank Nifty, which ended last week at 55,340 levels, the important trading range for this week can be 54,800 and 56,500 levels. For the day traders today, crucial intraday trading levels can be support of 24,750 and 24,650 Nifty futures levels, while hurdles will be looked at 24,940 and 25,040 levels, which can be looked for swing trades maintaining strict stop loss of 50 odd points. For Bank Nifty futures, intraday trading levels supports will be 54,540 and 55,200 mark. 55,450 and 55,200 are intraday supports for buying, while 56,150 and 56,350 can be looked as intraday targets come contra trading short bets levels with a strict stop loss of 100 odd points. Overall, the index is expected to hold up the gains today and can accelerate towards mentioned higher levels in days to come. One can look for long bias ratio spreads in index and counters selectively with a strict stop loss. In respect to the sectors, Nifty auto, bank, service, consumer and large cap counters can remain in focus with a buy on dip outlook and for this pullback. As mentioned, 25,250 for Nifty spot and 56,500 for Bank Nifty spot will be looked as a major immediate resistance come target for the index, which need to be held in order to witness short covering and some serious buying interest. Till then, the index still remains in the broader range. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.